Okay, we're taking video. So this guy, being at 90 degrees to the magnet instead of flat on to the magnet, gives me feedback. It may not be as accurate as the other way, but I don't need it to be. This drive on this end was used to run this back and forth, and then we counted how many times the thread moved, and the number showed up on the screen, and that gives me, I'll have to calculate how fast it was moving, but the long and the short of it is it kept up to the drill at its maximum speed, which is great, and I don't know what that speed is, but we'll figure it out. And then the great thing is that I can use it for speed control on my Dremel if I put a ring magnet, a neodyne ring magnet, on the Dremel drive. Now the Dremel drive looks like this. So if I get a Dremel, or sorry, if I get a ring magnet that will fit on here or on here, then I can super glue it in place and using this feedback mechanism, figure out what speed it's going and increase or decrease the power to control the speed. It is the 17th of April 2019, 7:07 p.m. I have turned on the Nikon camera and told it okay about the waterproofing. Let's see if you can see the screen. You can sort of see the screen. Actually, we'll make it that way. And then we'll go in like that. See what we can see. Not too very much. Yeah, there we go. How did that work? That's not that helpful. I guess I'll have to take it. This back on. We'll try to stay out of the way. We'll hit record. I'll move this out of the way. This circuit board over here that I took a picture of, showing you that it was a fairly nice 2 millimeters above the magnet, moved. So right now I am showing the X position as minus 179. When I turn this, it moves. Okay, so okay, so we'll just stick that all the way on. If I can get it aligned, try it backwards. There we go. That's minus 78, minus 79. That is close enough for me. Okay, so we're at minus 79, and we're going to 3, 2, 1, hit her. Okay, we're at minus 260, and then we're going to go the other way as fast as we can. 3, 2, 1. And we're at minus 80, which is close enough to minus 79 for me. Show you as much of the screen as I can. And you can see minus 79.62 or 61. I've got my speed and my speed at maximum and my direction correct. And we'll connect up the drive when I can get it turned right. Okay, slid on. Minus 79.99. Okay, here we go, slowly. Right direction, fast. This one has a brake. So that's 247.7. Going the other way, 3, 2, 1. Minus 79.9. That is excellent. Repeatability, we're going forward again. .243, and turn the computer back on. 243. Go. Okay, so that is the video. The feedback looks to be a complete success unless it can't keep up. And if it can't keep up, it is doing a close enough job in one direction that it's consistent in giving me back the same distance the other direction. So it's tough for me to believe, I guess, that it's wrong. Actually, what I can do, is it still showing? What I can do, I'll just move my mouse a little bit, and I want to go that way. What I'm going to do is go slowly. Okay, minus 257. Now we're going to go this way as fast as we can. Minus 88. So that is very, very consistent. I'm quite happy with that. And I will check the speed on the older and slower, as it turns out, battery. Do the test. Okay, and it looks like this drill tops out at 1450 RPM, approximately. Here is the second drill, and we're going to do the test. That's 900. 1550, 1850, so 1850 RPM minimum is what this thing will do.